That works for you will be staying in this restorative velocity for 4 minutes and each.
Hello, good morning.